This is the Fire Hydrant Gazette. Good evening. I am Rusty.
And I am Oreo.
Tonight on the Gazette. Welcome to the Fire Hydrant Gazette. All the fun you need to know. Good evening. I'm Rusty. And this is the Fire Hydrant Gazette.
And I'm Oreo, your chaos correspondent. Tonight's gonna be wild.
Let's get to the news.
Yeah, ignore me, that's fine. Squirrels everywhere are laughing.
A new device promises to translate your dog's barks into human language. Scientists are calling it the Bark-O-Matic 5000, or as I call it, the most efficient way to hear about squirrels, and more squirrels.
Squirrels? That's all I bark about? Wow, easy. A team of scientists in Antarctica discovered a new species of glow-in-the-dark jellyfish. They say it pulses with an eerie, otherworldly light. So, basically, the ocean's version of the laser pointer. I'm already exhausted.
Exhausted? From a jellyfish? Good. And for an update on the ongoing crisis of existential threat, we go to our special correspondent, Bogart, who has been observing a man attempting to assemble IKEA furniture.
Rusty, the man's soul has left his body. He keeps trying to offer the Allen Wrench a treat. It's a tragedy.
Bogart, what's the situation on the ground? Is the furniture fighting back?
It's a standard assembly, but the instructions are in code. The man is holding up well, offering treats to tools for motivation.
Treats for tools? That's genius.
Only bacon-flavored will save his soul now. Without treats, the furniture wins, for it's all about the treats.
Bogart, this is about furniture, not treats. Wrap it up.
Furniture? It's a treat conspiracy. The Allen Wrench demands jerky.
Thank you, Bogart, everybody. A new study found that dogs can recognize up to 200 different words, which means they understand every single time you say bath. And then they immediately develop selective hearing, which is a tactical masterstroke.
Selected hearing? That's my superpower. Baz? What Baz? A town in Norway has banned electric vehicles from its main street, citing noise pollution and a disruption to local wildlife. Finally, a town that understands the true threat of the stealth chariot. My bark system needs a silent perimeter.
Stealth chariot? You're gonna get me killed with that one.
And for a look at the latest in interspecies culinary critiques, we're joined by our special correspondent, Dr. Paw-tricia Whiskers. Dr. Whiskers has been observing a human eating cereal with a fork.
Rusty, the liquid dispersal rate is suboptimal. The human is essentially performing a self-imposed food torture. It's fascinatingly inefficient.
Dr. Whiskers, why a fork? Is it a new trend?
When a person tests that really all human food issues stem from not using whiskers properly.
Whiskers? For cereal? Explain.
Whiskers detect milk levels perfectly. Without them, it's chaos. Endorse my whisker extension kit.
Whisker kit? I need one for treats.
Whiskers solve world hunger. Cereal with fork? Amateur. Whiskers need it gourmet.
Dr. Paw-tricia Whiskers, everybody. And finally, remember that Bark-O-Matic? Turns out it just translates to more treats.
Treats? I knew it! Best invention ever!
For the Fire Hydrant Gazette, I'm Rusty. Good night.
And I'm Oreo. Stay chaotic, folks. Squirrels beware.
Wow. Easy.
What? It's true!